Hi friends, welcome to my channel Auditing Technique. Hope all are doing well. To get regular updates about different audit standard and regulation, please do like and subscribe my channel. In today's session, we have taken one of the essential steps of audit process, that is opening meeting and management interview. This is on-site audit activity. To start with good note, positive tune of opening meeting is must. Let's look into the opening meeting in details. What is covered in the opening meeting? What is the benefit of it? Then management interview and why it is essential. Opening meeting. An opening meeting in audit is the essential step that formally begins the audit process. This meeting set the tone for the audit, ensuring that everyone is aligned and understand what is expected. Welcome. Begin the opening meeting with a warm welcome to everyone present. A big smile and a friendly voice will help establish a tone of cooperative environment. Introduction. Make sure that nobody is a stranger, those who are present in the opening meeting. Introduces both audit team and the factory representatives. Scope. Describe the boundaries of audit in terms of departments, functions, and/or processes. A clearly defined audit scope helps to remove confusion. Criteria. Communicate the general requirements against which the audit will be conducted. This usually includes the standard like ISO 9001 and the organization's own policies and procedures. Objective. Complete your introductory remarks by stating the objective of the audit. Possible objectives include preparing for ISO 9001 certification, addressing organization weakness, and identifying opportunities for improvements. Sampling. The audit will be representative sampling of evidence, not a 100% inspection. This will be obvious to all participants, but it is important to declare these limitations before the audit begins. Methodology. Explain the audit methodology process for collecting the objective evidences like documents review, visual observations, and employee interview. Confidentiality. Make a general commitment to maintain confidentiality related to the objective evidence gathered and conclusion generated during the audit. The information gathered during the audit should not be shared with any external parties. Audit plan. Reviews the audit plan with factory representative, including the schedule and key activities, to make auditee aware of the audit plan and arrange the necessary resources. If any changes required, make the necessary changes in the audit plan. Roles and responsibilities. Clarifies the role and responsibilities of the audit team so that everyone understands their duties and accountability. Communications. Establishes the communications plan for audit. Ideally, single point contact should be ideal to have effective communication. Company rules. Clearly state the auditor intention to follow all company rules and safety precautions, which is also essential for auditor safety. Documentation. Communicate documentation requirement for the audit. What kind of policy, procedure, record, etc. factory requires to arrange for the audit. Also get the confirmation on the availability of the documents. Photos. Photos are one of the best objective evidence for audit. Obtain consent for photo taking of the process, product. Closing meeting time. Communicate closing meeting date and time with the factory so that all factory management staffs make themselves available for the closing meeting. Reporting process. Communicate method of reporting and the process for communicating audit result and non-conformities. When, how it will be communicated. Questions and clarifications. The factory management might have some queries related to the audit process. Provide an opportunity for participants to ask questions and seek clarifications. Thank again. Conclude the opening meeting with one more thanks to all attendees. Next, benefit of opening meeting. The opening meeting lasts only few minutes and may be simple and brief, but the outcome are crucial to set the positive audit tone, which eases the audit processes and communications between the auditor and auditee. Below are the outcomes from the opening meeting. Provide comfort to the faculty management about the audit process. Spirit of partnership is improved between the auditor and auditee. Warm introduction to key participant, auditors and usually the faculty manager of the area being audited. Agreement on any scheduling changes that must be made. This will help to complete the audit in time and avoid any delay. Answering of the questions or clearing doubts of the faculty managements. Build the trust among the auditee that the auditors are seeking conformity but not non-conformity. Next, discuss about the management interview. A management interview in an audit is the essential part of the audit process. It involves discussions between the auditors and the organization's management to gather insight, understand processes, and identify potential risks. Here are some key aspect and benefit of the management interview in an audit. Understanding the business provides auditor with a comprehensive understanding of the business operations, strategies, and objectives, the vision and mission of the factory. Identifying risks helps in identifying potential risks and areas of concern that may not be evident from the document alone. Management interview help to identify risk areas. Assessing internal control evaluates the effectiveness of internal controls and procedure in place, how factory manage and control their process and activity. Gathering evidences collects qualitative evidence that support the audit findings, which could not be found from the document and process. Clarifying issues allows auditor to clarify any issues or discrepancies found during the audit, thus help in concluding the audit findings. Building rapport establish a cooperative relationship between the auditors and management, facilitating smoother communications and collaboration. Thank you. That's all from today. See you in the next session. Have a good day.